My name is Jenna Crook. I'm a volunteer educator at the Von Braun Astronomical Society in Montesano State Park in Huntsville. Do you know how far away the dwarf planets are? That's what we're going to talk about. I want you to take a piece of paper and cut it into 4 strips. For me, I had to use 2 pieces of paper because I'm tall. Okay, kind of like this. Now I want you to tape your pieces of paper together. We're going to make a big long strip, kind of like this. All right, so it works best if you tape the paper on both sides. So I will take this side, and then I will turn it over and I will tape the other side. Like this. Okay, so when you have a big long strip, I want you to hold it up to the top of your head, and then where the paper touches the floor, have someone cut it for you so that you'll have a strip that is long as you are tall. All right, on one end of the strip, I want you to write S for sun, and on the other end, write a P for Pluto. Now, what planet is halfway between the Sun and Pluto? Uranus. Actually, it's supposed to be pronounced Uranus. Okay, so take your piece of your strip and fold it in half. Make a crease. And on that crease, write U for Uranus. Okay? Now fold it again, and then fold it yet again in half, so that it will be like this. Make a crease, and then unfold it. And on the crease that is between Pluto and Uranus, write N for Neptune. On the crease that's between the Sun and Uranus, write S for Saturn. Okay, next, we're going to bring the end that has S for Sun, we're going to bring that up to meet Saturn and make a crease. And on that crease, we will write J for Jupiter. So in our model, we have a strip of paper that represents the distance between the Sun and Pluto, and we have the other giant planets marked. We have Uranus, Neptune, Saturn, and Jupiter. Now, bring the Sun up to meet Jupiter. Make a crease. And on that crease, that represents the location of the asteroid belt. And inside the asteroid belt, the largest object is a dwarf planet. It's called Sirius. Okay? Bring the Sun, you can write a C on that crease to represent the asteroid belt. C for Sirius. So now bring the Sun up to meet Sirius, and on that crease you will make an M for the planet Mars. Now it gets a little bit tedious. Bring the Sun up to meet Mars, make a crease, and then fold it in half again like this and make a crease. So when you unfold it, you're going to have 3 creases between the Sun and Mars. So those represent the 3 planets that are closest to the Sun. What are they? Mercury is closest, then Venus, then Earth. So you can put an M on the first crease that's closest to the Sun, M for Mercury, then V for Venus, then E for Earth. Okay, so this model tells us how far away Sirius is from the Sun, and it tells how Sirius is a dwarf planet, and it represents how far away Pluto, another dwarf planet, is from the Sun. Pluto, all the way to your feet. Like Sirius, since Sirius is located in the asteroid belt, Pluto, like Sirius, is located in the Kuiper belt. And in the Kuiper belt, Pluto is at the inside edge of the Kuiper belt. And in the Kuiper belt, we have discovered many, many more dwarf planets. They have names like Quaoar, Sedna, and Makemake. And I'm sure that we will be discovering many, many more dwarf planets out beyond Pluto in the Kuiper Belt. I have a picture for you of the dwarf planet Sirius. This is what Sirius looks like. And here is a picture of the dwarf planet Pluto. This is what Pluto looks like. All right, I hope you will be interested in looking up information about the other dwarf planets, and I hope you will come and visit us at the Von Braun Astronomical Society in Montesano State Park. You can find out about our programs on our website, www.vbas.org. Bye.